Okay, so I'm going to be looking at my webcam driver. A good way to make sure everything's working properly is to just check out your whatever program you use for video conferencing, video chat. I use Skype, so I'm going to check out my Skype here, and I'm going to go into options and check the video settings here. So right off the bat here it says Skype couldn't find a webcam, and I have mine plugged in. So I can tell I'm having some problems. So what I'm going to do next is check out, I'm going to close out Skype here, check out my driver settings. Here I went to control panel, then we want to go to hardware and sound, and then we want to go to device manager, see if anything looks suspicious. Alright, so when we open up Device Manager, it will automatically collapse or actually open up the devices that are not working properly. Here I see some things here with a little yellow exclamation point. One it also opened up is my Logitech QuickCam webcam here. So from here I know the name of the webcam, which is good, so I have a place to start as far as finding the right drivers to reinstall my webcam, which is probably the best idea for any hardware that's having some problems. So I'm going to go into the internet and try to go to Logitech's website. They're the ones who make my webcam. Let's just do a quick search, Logitech. And alright, first thing, let's go Logitech.com here. Alright, and support, product support. Okay, so product type, webcam. And I believe, let's see, it was a QuickCam Communicate STX. And here's a picture that does look like mine. So what I'm going to try to do, check the downloads here, see if I can find some drivers. I'm using Windows 7, so that's what I'm going to pick. 32-bit, alright, that's my operating system. So here I'm going to download the drivers, and here we can see it's downloading here. So what we'll do is install the drivers whenever they're done. We have a couple minutes, so I'll fast forward through all this. Once it's done installing, whenever you install drivers, it always asks you to restart. So I'm going to install the drivers. Once it's done, I have a couple minutes here. Installation will take a little while. Once that's done, I'm going to restart. So I'm going to fast forward all this for you guys, and we'll see what happens when I restart. Okay, so restarted the computer now. Installed the Logitech webcam drivers. So what I'm going to do, the only thing I really need to do right now to make sure everything's working, I'm going to open up Skype one more time, just like I did the first time, and go back to my options here and see if it works. So this is the easy thing to do, just video settings, and here it is, a webcam Logitech, and there I am. Hello. So it looks like that worked. Went to the manufacturer's website, found the drivers. If you want to save a lot of time, you check out driverdownload.org. The service basically manages and automatically updates your drivers for you, so you can save a lot of time. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye.